Hi ladies, so I got a package here. I did a traveler's notebook swap, and Miss Jennifer was my partner. So I'm doing this on my phone, so bear with me, but I was super excited because I never get to be partners with Jen. So this is my traveler's notebook that she made me. So she sent me this cute little clipboard. Look how cute that is. It says sweet stuff. And look at this. How gorgeous is that? So she's got this little pink bracelet on it. So like I said, I'm one-handed, so bear with me. She's got this little dangly pin here. How stinking cute. And sorry it's not alright, let's see if I can get this out. Look at how cute that is. That is adorable. And she's got a bee over here. I love that. So she's got this faux leather pink on here, because we all know pink is my color. And then this one says sweet stuff. And she's got the little leaves here. Super cute. And the pineapples. And look at this. I love this. So we didn't want to actually do this because this is our first run around here, but I loved it so much that I actually did a couple of them. So inside of this little pocket here, she's got, oops, hold on. Let me see if I can get this out. Sorry about that. But in the little pocket, it's got, look at, it's got little bobby pins, and this is like a material. Actually, these are scrunchies. How friggin' cute. Scrunchies and bobby pins. Yay! And I'm always looking for those. So that's cute. So I love that. And then on the back, she's got little sticky notes. How cute is that? With little flowers, the pineapple. Oh my god, I love it. And then it's got little pineapple stickers with a little pineapple clip there. Super cute. And then, you know, my little pen goes right back on here. Oh my goodness. Good job, Jen. Amazing. So, yes, I just wanted to say thank you. And this is a little, like a bracelet thingy that she used to tie it all together. And then you take the little string here and you tighten it. I love that. So thank you, friend. You're amazing. So until next time, guys, smooches. Bye.